Well, when I think about putting this engine back together, I think, well, it's about damn time. We're diving back into the 200 engine today. We are going to be doing the final touches to be able to reassemble this bad boy. It's been a long time coming. You may not have kept up with the time track. We are about 3.5 months of being disassembled. COVID got us out of the shop, but now we're sneaking back in. So we're gonna see how it goes. I am both excited and concerned. I am very excited to have this back together. However, as mentioned in the previous episode, we did mark our pistons. We're about 97% sure of what we marked them, but we're gonna find out today, hopefully. I am 97% sure which one is which, but that 3% can make a hell of a difference. All right, what now? Let me make sure I understood what you're saying correctly. Intake's bigger, exhaust is smaller. And then this is going to be the intake side. So I'm going to install this wristband clip first. The arrow points to the back of the engine? Okay, I literally just said. Did pretty good. Okay. Ow. It hurts.
They're pliers.
It's not nearly as easy as it was on the other side, Caleb. Okay. Wow. Look at all the knowledge you've learned fucking up your engine more than once.
More than twice.
I think the problem is that my fingers might not just be as strong as you, or maybe my nails are weaker. I don't really know. Second. I was waiting because they're dripping still. This one. Is this the one? Other way. Yeah. Yeah, figured that was the case. All right, rotate the crankshaft so as to align the T mark on the generator rotor with the index mark on the right crankcase cover. All right, so far, I think the easiest part has been getting it back together. The hardest part has been a combination of the temperature in this room, and also we had to find some O-rings because my gasket kit didn't come with enough. So other than that, everything has been pretty seamless. So the last time we were here, we buttoned her back up. Today we're gonna set the cam chain tension, adjust the valves. Hopefully this is the time. And then, if all goes according to plan, we're gonna slap her back in the frame, bolt her down.
And what is that going to do?
Go home.
Is that going to conclude Jessi's engine rebuilding extravaganza?
When the engine is back in the bike, my stretch in purgatory will be done, and I will get to hop back into the game. All right, shall we? Should I go up here? Would that be easier? Boo. I heard it drop.
You heard it go.
Okay.
And give it like a little bit of a snug up. That's good. And then tighten the lock nut.
Reckon that's tight enough? Do you reckon that's tight enough? Nope, sorry. Look at her. All right. So all in all, today was great. We got the engine back on the bike. Everything's looking good. Valves aren't bent. Went ahead and threw a coil back on, and so next up we're gonna get all the other components back on the bike, the carbs, different electrical pieces, and then start to work out our electrical system from there. I'm excited to be back in sync with Caleb and getting to work together. All in all, the engine rebuild was way less intimidating in action than it was in theory. There was stuff that I needed to learn and having to do things over and over again, but at the end of the day, it wasn't rocket science. So I'm excited to have one engine rebuild under my belt. When I say excited, know that I mean that on the inside, not the outside. Let me hit you with some information. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our newsletter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. Pew, pew, pew. Jessi out.